Welcome to my new video of ServiceNow ITOM course. So far we have learned how ITOM integrates with other modules to streamline operations. Now it's time to talk about how to measure, analyze and improve IT performance using performance analytics. Performance analytics give you data-driven visibility into your processes, services and operations. In this video, we will focus on introduction to performance analytics, defining KPIs, creating dashboards, using analytics to improve it. Let's begin with basics. Introduction to performance analytics. Performance analytics is a powerful tool in ServiceNow that helps organizations track and improve performance over time. Real-time and historical insights. It not only shows current metrics but trends, forecasts and patterns based on the historical data. Built-in and custom reports. ServiceNow provides out-of-the-box indicators or you can define your own based on your ITOM needs. Operational visibility, whether it's incident volumes, alert resolution times or change request delays, performance analytics helps support what's working and what's not. For example, you can track the average time it takes to resolve alert triggered by ITOM and use that to measure improvement. It's the foundation of continuous service improvement. Defining KPIs. KPIs are key performance indicators are the core of performance analytics. Align with business goals. Choose KPIs that reflect critical ITOM outcomes like system uptime, resolution time or change success rate. Data sources. KPIs can be pulled from any module, incidents, alerts, CMDB, discovery, etc. Breakdown by the service RCI. Make indicators more meaningful or segmenting them by business service, team or categories. For example, a KPI like mean time to acknowledge alerts can help measure how responsive your operation team is. Defining the right KPIs helps turn raw data into actionable insights. Creating dashboards. Once KPIs are defined, you can present them visually using dashboard. Real-time monitoring. Dashboards update dynamically so teams can respond to live data. Multiple visual options. Use charts, graphs, heat maps, and breakdowns to make data easy to understand. Role-based access. Each stakeholder, executives, IT managers, operators can have personalized dashboard. For example, an ITOM operations dashboard might include open alerts by severity, top CI issues, and remediation progress. Dashboards make sure everyone stays aligned and informed. So let's explore the dashboards on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance and so under the performance analytics, you can see there are different options like guided setup, dashboards, widgets, analytics hub. If we open widgets, then these are the different widgets, some out of the box widgets. Like this is the basic indicator widget. So this is the name of the that widget and lookup name. Then widget indicator, number of new incident, number of resolved incidents, incident backlog growth, number of open incident. So and this is the list of different type of widgets. And if we go to the dashboards and if we specifically look for CMDB, so there are different dashboards related to the CMDB. Like this is the application services. If we open this, So there are different filters on the top like owner, support group, change group. We can use any user and it will show data related to that user. And there are different tabs for the dashboard. Like this is showing application server not in the application service 1, total application servers, database, application server not in the application service. So there are different widgets and reports are used on this dashboard. We can also add other widgets, reports, performance analytics, interactive filter, and different options are available to visualize your CMDB data in the you can say that proper way to analyze. So there are also many other dashboards. You can also create the new one from here and then create some reports and performance analytics widgets and then use them on your dashboard. Then using analytics to improve IT. Performance analytic is not just for observation, it's a tool for strategic decision making. Identify bottlenecks, spot where incidents pile up, alerts go unanswered, or tasks are delayed. Track improvements, use trend to measure if changes, automates, or workflows are actually helping. Forecast and plan, predict future needs, performance drops, or risk using time series and forecasting tools. For example, if alert resolution time is improving after implementing orchestration, you can expand automation in the other areas confidently. The goal is to use analytics not just for reporting but for the continual IT service improvement. To conclude, performance analytics helps bridge the gap between operations and insight. It tracks real-time and historical performance, use KPIs to focus on what matters, makes performance visible through dashboards, enable proactive and informed IT decision. In the next video, we will explore how AI and machine learning enhance ITOM, bringing predictive capabilities and smarter automation into your operations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.